The freefall time interactive calculator solves projectile motion problems for objects in freefall. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate time from height and initial velocity. Calculate height from time and initial velocity. Calculate final velocity from height and initial velocity. Calculate initial velocity from height and time. Calculate time to max height for upward launch. And calculate total time for up and back down. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate time from height and initial velocity. Next, we enter height in meters, initial velocity in meters per second, time in seconds, and gravity in meters per second squared. Here's a worked example. I'll input height equals 50 meters, initial velocity equals 10 meters per second, time stays at 3.19 seconds, and gravity remains at 9.81 meters per second squared. After clicking calculate, we get our results. The fall time is 3.193 seconds, telling us how long the object takes to fall. The final velocity is 31.32 meters per second, which is the speed at impact. This calculator streamlines your free fall calculations. Find the link in the description below.